Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Today we're in my house and we noticed that a bird keeps sitting up right here every single day. And today we figured out that it had a bird's nest. We're not kidding. Like, right there, see it? Like, bro, how did he even get up there?
Look, I'm going to show you. See if I can't zoom in on this bird.
Like the bird, we're gonna have baby birds.
Oh, he done flew away.
Anyways, bye guys.